I got this off-the-shoulder sweaty,
I like that.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And today we are doing another thrift store outfit challenge. We did something similar to this last year, and it's going to be like holiday party or holiday events that you would need outfits for.
And we get to go shopping
At the thrift store, which is so good because we love reusing.
Yay, that's my favorite place. So our assistant Claire put some festive outing ideas here in our little very shallow bowl. It's a DIY, check it out if you haven't already. Cute, speckled.
These are Canadian winter holiday season outings, so.
Important note because
It gets cold here.
it gets a little cold here. I'll pick two, you'll pick two, and then we'll go to the thrift store.
And we'll make outfits. Okay, I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
Okay, I have, oh, New Year's Eve. This is fun, I'm excited.
Okay, next up I got, evening in, specifically with wine and gingerbread.
That sounds like a good evening in. I like that one.
That one's great.
That was really applicable to my life. A work party, not yours, fancy.
I guess she knows that our work party wouldn't be fancy, that's why.
So like my significant other is having a work party, I'm going, I need to look good.
Aren't you going this week?
I am, so.
Perfect. Okay, last one. Ew.
Oh,
Claire.
I love it.
Meet the parents.
Who is the person that the parents are of? That determines a lot of what you gotta wear.
Yeah, can the parents be like the Ozzy Osbourne? No? Okay.
We have our, different outings that we need to make outfits for. We're gonna head to the thrift store now, try and put some stuff together.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
I always go on like Pinterest. I don't know if it's cheating or not. I find something like that's cool, like this plaid blazer trend, and then I'm like, oh, how do other people style it? Now I think I have too many blazer options. This is a faux fur shirt. Can we just take this in? I got lots of sweater options.
Oh, nice.
Like a lot. So now I'm just grabbing some pants options.
Ooh.
I spy a thrift store scandal. The original tag on these pants say that they were sold for $3. The thrift store over here wants to sell these for $13. You kidding me? You kidding me?
Meet the parents. Lols.
Honestly can't believe how little like sequins and glittery dresses there were in the dress aisle. Like why? That's all I want for New Year's.
Where's Kelsey? I see your bun.
Okay, this is very short and it's either really awful or really amazing and I can't tell.
Can we talk about how those were in my cart and now they're on your feed? Do you need them? I don't know, but I just want to have rights that I found them.
Alright, we got a bunch of things.
I'm so excited. I just got a bunch of new outfits. So first up, I got this off-the-shoulder sweater. It's originally from Aerie and it was $9.
I got these black, super high-waisted shorts from American Apparel. These were $4, which is a double steal because we can't get American Apparel like in stores anymore.
Teenage you is like quaking. I got this beret. I had many options as you guys saw, but this one was $7 and I've never had one before, so first beret.
Next up, I got this plaid gray stripy blazer for $11. Like everybody has been thrifting these, I swear. We just got a pantsuit.
I got these pants to your matching suit for $12.
I got this red velvet top, very festive and Christmassy for $6.
I got this suede faux fur vest with some Sherpa lining for $5.50.
I got these legging pants that are just like black stretchy, but they have this kind of like fake leather stripe down the side. $10. I feel like that's a little overpriced, to be honest. Like the knees are a little bit worn. Like, come on, who are we?
These jeans here were $10.
They're $10 for proper jeans, and I got like just like leggings that are just stretchy for $10. I feel like suspicious. Then I got this like potentially crazy, but also could be awesome, silver sparkly blazer jacket thing. It's like peplum at the bottom. It's kind of a skirt. So I got this for $10.
I got this very simple, but also white.
Hard to find.
Hard to find at the thrift store for $13, and I just love the neck. It's a boat neckline, so I'm told.
So now onto some accessories. I got 2 pairs of shoes for each of my outfits. The first one are these. I love the heel. It's like some sort of crazy silver heel thing going on. And then the top has like that kind of like squared off flat design that's really in right now. And I got these shoes for $12.
I got these booties, which are really cute. I don't have anything like these, and they were $16. Couldn't decide between the ones that you had in your cart and these ones, but these ones fit me better.
Yeah, and unfortunately I didn't need them for anything, so they stayed at the thrift store.
For the next person, thank you. Next.
And then I got these, speaking of thank you next, very like Ariana Grande, like super thigh-high black heel boots. And they were $16. And the last thing I got was these pair of earrings. They were $4, but they're like hoops, but like geometric hoops. I feel like that's to be trendy right now, but
The hammered almost.
yeah, hammered gold. And I am gonna clean them very well with some rubbing alcohol before I put them anywhere near my ears, as you should if you get anything from the thrift store.
So should we put these outfits together? Oh, but first I have to alter. Let's get to it.
For my New Year's Eve outfit, the first thing I knew I wanted to do was alter this blazer / mini dress a little bit. First things I did was cut out the shoulder pads because that's not the year that we're in. And then next, I folded in the top part of the collar because it was a bit funky, and I turned it into a V-neck instead, and I just did some really loose stitches on the inside to hold them in place. Now to put the whole outfit together, I am wearing the blazer / miniskirt with my high-waisted black shorts underneath. You can't really see them, but they're there kind of as safety shorts. Plus, if you do see them, they are cute as well. I put my own personal black tights underneath because it can get cold outside at New Year's Eve in Canada, and plus it just looks nice with the whole outfit. I have my tall Ariana Grande-esque black boots on. And to complete the whole look, I put my hair up in a high half pony. And in total, my New Year's Eve outfit cost me $34.
So for my cozy night in with gingerbread and wine, I ended up taking this suede and Sherpa jacket and I flipped it inside out. So then all I had to do was seam rip the tag and the little hook off. I paired that with the jeans. I'm a jeans girl, so these are cozy to me. And the white knit sweater with the open wide neckline. And my own socks. Altogether, this outfit cost me $20.50, and it was super cozy. I can attest to that.
So now for my office party / kind of boss CEO look. I'm wearing my black pants with a leather-esque stripe up the side, paired with that red velvet tank top. Because the red tank top has a little bit of lace, it can kind of skew a little bit lingerie, but since this is an office party, I'm doing the blazer over top, which kind of tones it down and evens everything out. I rolled the cuffs up on the blazer because A, it looks more chill that way, and B, the pinky red tone underneath actually looks really nice for holiday. I'm wearing the black velvet pumps that I got with the little silver heel detailing. And then I'm wearing the gold hoops I got because I'm not afraid to mix metals. I think it looks cool. And then I completed the whole thing off with a classy office low bun and some red lips. Altogether, my office holiday party outfit cost me $39.
So to meet the parents, I wanted to do it in the plaid pants, but the length they were at was kind of more like office-y, and I wanted it to be more modern. So I shortened them just a couple of inches, and I just did this by ironing it, and I used some fabric glue. You could do a blind stitch here, but I haven't had success with that in the past, and I don't have the foot for our sewing machine. So fabric glue it is, and I'm pretty confident this will last me. I I paired the pants with these tan boots. And my off-the-shoulder sweater. I feel like it's not that revealing, although I was a little nervous, but I'm feeling confident in this to meet the parents. And I topped it off on the top of my head with this beret. And this whole outfit cost me $44. How do you feel about those outfits?
I feel pretty good. Let us know in the comments who you think nailed their theme or category the best.
Ooh, I didn't know this was a competition.
Everything's a competition.
I'm just excited because I got some new outfits that I'm really excited to wear.
Sick. We did basically this challenge last year, holiday season, so if you'd like to see 4 other outfits, you can click the link below to watch that as well.
Happy holiday season, guys. We have lots of DIY holiday videos. They're already up. I think we have more coming.
Yep, and enjoy any holiday parties you are going to this holiday season.
I love holiday parties.
All right, thanks so much for watching, guys.
If you like it, make sure you give it a like.
If you love it, make sure you sub
And
it.
we'll see you next time.
Bye.